there are many ways you can make money online with your phone legitimately. And you mustn't do affiliate marketing, email marketing, or crypto, or any of all of these stuffs we know as, or digital marketing in general, or any of these stuffs we know as making money online stuff. I'm not trying to say they are bad. No, they are not bad. But have you thought of making money online via real estate using your phone? Maybe you've not heard of it before, but this is me telling you right now. As a student, as a stay-at-home mom, as a working class, a 9 to 5 worker, as a business owner, whatsoever you are doing, real estate is giving you the opportunity to do it alongside whatsoever you are doing. So the only thing you just need to do is to register with a good company. When I say good, I mean a trusted company, a trustworthy company, not one that could run away with people's money tomorrow. No, a very trustworthy company. Ask questions, do your due diligence, ask questions around about people who have invested with them. Do you get? Now, after all of those questions must have been answered, what do you do next? Then you register with them. There are companies who register with some little money, there are companies who register free of charge. POV. We register at Lexxon and Associate free of charge, and we also have lectures every Thursday at 3 p.m. that you can attend to know more about the real estate firm. So back to what I'm saying. So the only thing you need to do with your smartphone, whenever there is a site inspection, you go there, you take some videos around, you tell your clients about the land. Now you're not just making money if they make sales, you are also providing solution, you're also helping people get their dream lands, get their dream properties, you're solving a problem in the society, right? And in the other way, you're making money from it. Some real estate companies give 10%, some give 15%, depending, some even give 5%, it all depends. Yeah. Then in Lexxon and Associates, of course, we give 10%. So why not go about making money with your phone? How do you do that? Flyers will be sent to you. You post these flyers. There are contacts on your phone that really need to buy land. They want to buy genuine land, but nobody is giving them the opportunity to see genuine land. Talk more of buying genuine land. And they buy these stuffs based on trust. Without them trusting you as a person, they cannot buy. So there are some people who trust you actually and who want to get properties, but you're not posting. You're not giving them the opportunity and the privilege to do so. So instead of just scrolling with your phone every day, join a trustworthy real estate company. So we're open for you to join us. Just tell us at the comment section that you wish to join us. I'll start off from there.